only a civilized human being. An animal will not aspire for spiritual. Animal doesn't have any understanding why he is here and how can he get out of here. That is not, he doesn't have that intelligence. Therefore it requires a developed intelligence or developed consciousness. And it's available only for human beings. And when a human being is properly civilized, then he aspires for this higher development of consciousness. This culture is meant for civilized humans. Civilized means, actually this is also an interesting consideration. The Sanskrit word for civilized is Sabhya. Sabhya. Sabhyata. Civilization. And what is the meaning of the word Sabhya? Sabhya, the word Sabhya actually is derived from the one who has the ability to sit in a Sabha. Sabha means assembly. And what kind of Sabha is this? What kind of assembly is this? Assembly where Krishna consciousness is discussed. When God consciousness, topics about God is discussed. So people who are qualified to sit in an assembly where God is discussed, they are considered civilized. And then Caitanya Mahaprabhu even went further. He said that out of these civilized people, some aspire for liberation. Or some aspire for spiritual life. Manusyanam sahasresu kascid yatati siddhaye, achieve spiritual perfection. And Yatataam api siddhanam, among those hundreds of them, thousands of those who have achieved spiritual perfection, rarely one knows Krishna. So this is how rare Krishna consciousness is. So it's a very rare asset. And any good thing is rare. But that doesn't mean that we should not aspire for that. Rather, an intelligent person would aspire for something that is rare. That is the sign of real advancement. Common people just want to remain in an ordinary path. But some rare individual aspire for an extraordinary path. And so this is what human life is meant for. Human life is meant for proper spiritual development.